Well, hello there. Are you ready to take your quiz? Good. Well, before we get started, let's review how it works. The test response system is a computerized method of scoring multiple choice responses. TRS operates with examination sheets that can be read by machines that optically detect your answers. Pre-printed sheets have been filled in by computer with your student name, your student number, and the course code for this class. The left half of the TRS sheet contains fields for all this information. The right half is used to record your answers. You can choose one of 5 alternatives to a question. You must mark your answers on the sheets with a soft lead pencil. No, a pen won't work. Using another writing instrument, such as a pen, may result in the marks being interpreted incorrectly by the reader, or not at all. That would mean you get 0 marks for your answers. So, did you bring a pencil? Good. But what happens if you break the lead? That's better. You brought 2. A good idea. How about a pencil eraser? Well, that's fine, but how old is that pencil? You've had that pencil since high school? I wonder if the eraser will still erase marks completely on the sheet, because if it can't, the computer will think you gave 2 answers to a question. Right. Bring a new pencil eraser to the test. Another good idea. So, now go find your sheet. Are you sure it's your name? There are some people in the class with the same last name, so check and make sure the sheet has your last name and your first initial as well. Good. You're now ready to take the quiz. Clean off your writing space of any other materials. This test is a closed book quiz. No extra aids, calculators, PDAs, collaboration with your friends, cell phones, MP3 players, laptops, or newspapers are allowed. Once we start handing out the question sheets, the quiz has begun for some people in the room, so no talking after that started. Now, the next 2 points are important. Point number 1. You will have to put a special code, A, B, C, or D, onto the answer sheet, so I'll know which question sheet you worked from. You can find the code in the upper left corner of the sheet. Find the code now, before you start the test, and fill it in the special answer space in the bottom right corner of the bubble sheet. Point number 2. There is a space on the top of the page for your last name, then your first name. Don't forget to put your name on the quiz, otherwise I won't know who wrote the answers to the questions. Do that right now, before you begin the test, so you don't forget to do it later on. Remember, if you forget to do either of these things, it's an automatic 0 for that portion of the quiz. So it's really important that you do those things first. If you're done early, just chill out. Don't try to hand a paper in early. Talk to your neighbor, read the newspaper, use your computer, or listen to your MP3 player. No, don't ask to go to the bathroom. Just hold it. You can draw a picture on the question sheet if it'll help you pass the time, or just meditate if this works for you. Just sit tight. It'll be over soon. Remember, if you complete the quiz early, check over your answers, be sure you have bubbled in the special code in the appropriate spot, be sure that you have written your name on the question sheet. Don't try to hand the quiz in early. And do not talk to your neighbor, read the newspaper or a book, read your notes, use your computer or cell phone, listen to your MP3 player, or ask to go to the bathroom. When time is called, hand in the question and answer sheet. Don't try to sort them or anything like that. Just hand them over. I'll sort everything out later. So that's it. You're now an expert at doing Dana's in-class tests. And good luck!